In this video, we will show you how to use precise positioning and how to integrate it into your business. Precise positioning is essential in areas such as navigation, security, healthcare, and logistics. You can benefit from precise positioning solutions if, for example, you are thinking about how your business can get objects, people, or vehicles to the right place faster and more accurately. There are several precise positioning technologies to choose from. The most common is GNSS, which stands for Global Navigation Satellite System. The system is based on satellites orbiting the Earth and transmitting signals globally around the world. Such systems include the US GPS, the Russian GLONASS, the European Galileo, and the Chinese Beidou. These systems provide their users with accurate time, position, and speed solutions. A key challenge is the reliability of accurate positioning, which can vary in different environments and conditions. The accuracy of GNSS systems depends on many factors, including the receiver used, the position of the satellites, and the environment. Galileo often gives an accuracy of around 2 meters, while GPS gives an accuracy of 3 to 4 meters. On the other hand, several systems are often used simultaneously. Reliability issues can hinder business. However, there are several ways to improve the accuracy of methods. For example, differential GPS, DGPS, is a method of improving the signal by using a correction signal from a reference station. With the help of stations maintained by the National Land Survey, it is possible to achieve an accuracy of 0.5 meters, which is often sufficient for navigation and logistics purposes. Even greater accuracy can be achieved with the newer real-time kinematic (RTK) method, where the reference stations communicate with each other in real time. This accuracy of a few centimeters is often sufficient for applications such as construction or robotics. Local solutions based on radio technology can provide more accurate positioning and are suitable for the needs of ports and large logistics companies, for example. In addition, Wi-Fi-based positioning and Bluetooth, for example, are useful indoors, such as in shopping centers, where satellite signals are weaker. The Location Innovation Hub gives our customers the opportunity to test these positioning methods in our precise indoor positioning test environment. Precise positioning opens up new opportunities for business development. On the other hand, deployment requires an understanding of data quality, reliability, and security. Businesses also need to consider the cost of using location technology and the need to learn new skills. Contact the Location Innovation Hub and we will help you find the right location tools and partners to help you implement them.